What is up, guys? This is Bright Light Crypto. We're in the Pulsechain hat today. How we all doing? Coming at you with another little update on this Wednesday. I thought I was going to stream yesterday, but I had a hell of a day yesterday. And it was also Tuesday, so I didn't decide to stream. But anyways, we got rate cuts today. 0.5%, a little bit of a shock. Anyways, I'll update you, whatnot, and on everything that's going on with me, with Bright Light, with the wallet that we got staked in $2. What I did was moved it all over to a hot wallet so anybody could hack it. I guess no, nobody should hack it, but safety precautions. Always use a hardware wallet when putting any more than any money that you want in a wallet to get just like thrown away. So other than that, we'll start. I'm kind of a little surprised about the 50 basis point cut today. It's a little bit more than I thought. I thought a quarter point would have been good, but it's kind of signaling it could be a little bit worse than we thought. He sounded nervous in the meeting, whatnot. We'll see, man. We'll see where it goes from here. I don't think we shouldn't be going any lower. We'll be looking at some charts here soon and things like that. But always, what's first is to see how far Richard Hart is down on his trade. That is 36.26%, $234 million. Yeah. So he holding, we all holding, right? Now it's been actually pretty exciting. The market's kind of been going up this past few days over the weekend since like Saturday or something. Like Pulsechain, Pulsex, couple other altcoins, things like that. I'll show you a couple that's gone up that I hold. No, maybe I'll show you one that's gone up quite significantly. But yeah, other than that, I don't know, man. I'm feeling a little bullish. I know I probably don't sound bullish, but whatever. Been kind of in that. Not feeling all the greatest lately, but pressure through it and keep going, right? So, sorry about that. I'm going to have to... let's click it over here. Thank you. Maybe I should just exit out of there. Yeah, it'll pop back up or something, but yeah, let's do this actually. Let's check our little wallet on $2. What I did was I unstaked it all. I moved it all over. I claimed all the rewards. I moved everything over to that wallet, and I haven't really done anything with the rewards too much. I couldn't unstake the $2 from the lock, so there's like $1 left over in the wallet. But you will see that right here, we are at $106 now, which is cool. This is the Rabby wallet I choose. But yeah, we're not at $80 anymore. We're back at pretty much break even. I think I put like $95 in this wallet to start with, and I staked on the portfolio tab. I believe I staked. Oh yeah, I did so much right before stream. Can't really remember. I don't think. Yeah, I staked the Prime $2 compounder, and I'm gonna go to the pools and stake our agreeable stuff. Oh, it's already staked. Yeah, it's already staked. So I don't know why it's not showing up yet. It might take a day or two, whatever, show up here. Maybe refresh. This is on $2. So yeah, there it is. There it is. Not showing the amount. I've already earned $6, $13, $2, and some camel. And in this wallet, we do have our island and everything. I pulled all the liquidity over from the island and I threw it in this wallet. So we're going to have to restake that. There is a new pool on the functionisland.com, or yeah, I think it's functionisland.com. There's so much going on these days. But yeah, it's been producing a little bit of camels, man. Anyways, let's get to it. That's staked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fucks. I'm just going to plop it over in here. I'm going to hit max. Prove that fucks. Like I said, there's a hot wallet. It's a lot faster for streaming, I think. So that will go in there. That'll turn into Prime 2 fucks, I believe so. And we will mint and stake. That's what we're going to do with the fucks. You can always take your fucks, go sell it for profit, whatever. Take 2 fucks, go sell it for profit. But I'm compounding this wallet right now to show kind of what people should be doing. With the camel, we'll go back over to Function Island, swap some of that, and make that liquidity pool a little bit bigger, just out of what's been in this wallet. So let's go to Function Island. And it connected. I got, yeah. So you got no LP, no nothing. So I'm going to need to put it in there. Oh, liquidity. Add liquidity. Let's go camel. I know I'm kind of like redoing all this over again. But let's swap first a little bit of camel for island. Let's swap, I don't know, 30. You think we're going to make any? Let's go 50. Let's go 75. We're still under 1% down here for price impact. So I'm going to approve that. Let's make this a little bit bigger so people can see the rewards over here on Function Island. Again, this DEX, do your own research. I'm only providing enough liquidity I'm willing to lose. Any DEX is kind of like that. Stick to RH functions if you're new, or RH assets. If you're new, like just stick to holding Pulse, Hex, things like that. And yeah, this is like the risk of the risk. Smaller market cap, more risk you have, less traders you have, things like that. But yeah, now that that's pending, I'm going to go back to Function Island. Oh yeah, we got to do liquidity, add liquidity. And let's go camel and then island, right? Yeah, let's go all camel. It's going to take a little bit less. So I'm going to have to approve island on every single one of these again, because it's a brand new wallet. It's a little bit faster, saves time, makes better stream, and then we'll get to some charts. I just like showing how much Richard's down right now. So, and now what this does is it gives you a receipt token, your FIDEX LP right there. I love Ravi Wallet. It shows you what you get, things like that. Then I'm going to close that. I'm going to go back over here. Oh, wait. Where is it in this one? All right, I'm just going to go back to. Now we're back here. Now we got some LP right here. We're going to approve. I'm going to max. Maybe I have to hit approve again. Nope, I don't. Good. Now I'm going to stake that. And now I think our wallet should be back to everything for next week. So I'll show a week of yield out of this. I think the Rabby wallet will show down here. This is why I like the Rabby wallet. It will show down here how much is in Fux. Of course, that's that Camel Clan pool. Got like $3 in it. We could always pull from it and do whatever. You guys let me know. But it should show the island pool here pretty soon. And my balance is that. Approved is max. Stake is 23. All right, we are good to go. Other than that, how we all doing? Let's check the cards, see if anybody's in here. Not yet. All right. If you have it, you can always go to my website for information. You can hit like, subscribe, things of that nature, and we'll get to the update. Cool thing about Pulsechain right here, Pulsechain, is it's decentralized, it's IPFS, and it's got a new update, man. Version 1.1.0 is now launched, which is cool. It might be something on the back end. I don't know, but if we go to app.pulsechain.com, it pops up here. You can always copy and paste this IPFS link right here. I forget how to do it, but I make sure I'm on the right link up here. Make sure it has nothing misspelt, things of the sort, and click that. Everything else looked pretty similar. I don't know what they updated or nothing. I didn't hear what they updated, but yeah. Other than that, that's the update on that, which is cool. Stable pools are here. Looks like they got $500,000 worth of liquidity still in there, which is cool for the bigger wells needing to come in and purchase things up. I don't know. We'll see. But other than that, let's look at Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin on the weekly. Looks like it popped up past week. Kind of like went in the middle of the range of the bull flag here. I think it's going up here. That's the measured move from the bull flag, right here to there. I'm supposed to measure it here, but I measured it down here because it's pretty much the same. But yeah, bull flag should bring it up to close to 100 grand, maybe 90 grand, 90 to 100 grand, right around in there. And then we should go higher here pretty soon as people start to pull money from the traditional market and then put it into crypto, because as the dollar or the Dixie goes down, all those stables are going to look for a place to go, and that's when asset prices go up, because the dollar is losing purchasing power, and the sooner you are to when the dollar is falling, and it circulates more around the economy, the sooner you are out of that into the assets that you like, and those prices go up, you tend to make money. So yeah, there's that. Let's look at ETH. I think let's look at the coin Bitstamp chart. Yeah. Let's look at Ethereum. Yeah, I got a little bit of headache too, but anyways, how you all doing today? Everybody's probably busy doing stuff. Yep, token's doing pretty good, but Ethereum needs Vitalik to stop selling. I believe he stopped selling. He tweeted or replied to somebody saying that he stopped selling. So hopefully we can go up and Richard can get all of his gains back. We look down at Richard Hart, 36. Well, I don't even know if it's Richard. Let's just call it. It's the SAC address. but it's 36% down. If we go to ETH and we go to the measurement tool from where we're at right here and go up 36%, you can get an average right around in here. So I think we're going to like here pretty soon, as especially Christmas coming around the corner. But yeah, I don't know. What chart? I was hoping people would come in, ask me anything, stuff like that. But yeah, let's look at some charts on Pulsechain. That's ETH. It retested this line, which is good. I think it should bounce off of it now, and hopefully trend up. Yeah, still looks a little too steep, but I don't know what pattern you'd call that. A double witch's cat or a kitty cat with the kitty cat ears right here. Meow. You know, I don't know. But yeah, I pulled all my LP except like a couple $100 of my stablecoin LP with the other Pulsechain and 9-inch and stuff like that in one wallet I have, and pretty much going into assets. I'm pretty much done with my DCAs. As long as this keeps persisting, I will keep moving in, but I will leave a little bit in LP so I can continue earning that ink. Yeah, it's not going to be as much as it was, but I'll be earning way more BBC than ink. But you know, to each their own. And yeah, and I keep accumulating 2 fucks. Hopefully, I'll stop adding it to LP for the Camel Clan liquidity pool, so I can start putting it into voting power, because the agreeable index is like at been hovering around 90 APR or something like that. 92. Today it was like 89, and total value locks is like 27 grand now. So yeah, I'm hoping to put a little bit more of voting power as I keep going. Yeah, it's gonna be a long process. It's not gonna be much voting power. $100 here, $100 there, but hey, it's just yield for the bear market, for when we go into stables, things like that. Hopefully we can be earning some yield on that with voting power. So other than that, we could look at our Camel Clan pool or whatever. I was looking at the Kebal pool earlier today. Let's look at our $3, see how many tokens are in it. Yeah, it's been growing a little bit. Oh wait, that's the wrong pool. Let's go to portfolio. There it is. It's been growing a little bit. Pool's at 990 now, which is good. Tokens been going up, stuff like that. The big gainer of the fucking the big gainer of the P Huxon around is Scuba Steve, man. Scuba Steve. Let's look at that Steve real quick. Man, like biggest gainer of the week, I think. Or close to it. Look at that candle there. Just went like, if you were buying that, good to you right in here. But yeah, it just shot up. Nice cup and handle right there. It way over outdid the cup and handle. Let's do this to there, and then do this, or rejected, and then let's move this up here. So yeah, way outdid it. It doubled it, which is good. That is strong. But now, if no Jeter's Jeet, which I wouldn't be Jeeting that at all, since the rates got cut, there's a new farm for Scuba Steve. not many people know about. It's on functionisland.com, right? Let's show you that. I think, yeah, let's show you that real quick. I think you go to pools. Yeah, it's right here. Scuba Steve. Steve Island. Helped him out a little bit with a little bit of the Steve and the island I had. It's not much at all, but I ended up being like half the pool. So it's not a very big pool, but hey, there's more yield you can earn here. 163% right now for close to 12 months. Yeah, for a year. You got a farm for a year, man. That's cool. Congrats, Steve Hitson, for that. Be cool if I can. We'll see. We'll see if we get any agreeable farms here in the near future. Yeah, it's paying out 50% for the island pulse. That's nice. There's only 300,000 tokens of the island, so like that's a very low supply. I don't know if it's inflationary or though. No. Anyways, back to the charts. But no, that's a big gainer. Nice. That was like what? One candle? 121%. Whew. Yeah. It's a nice mark to the beginning of the bull. Hopefully it keeps up. It looks like it hit that resistance right there. The bottom right here. We might have to travel sideways right here for a little while. The smaller, the tighter the flag, the more sideways and long it takes, higher it might go. And then if that ends up being a bull flag, yeah, if that ends up being a bull flag, you can just say the next level would be, just be conservative. It would be right here. Let's put a line. Next level would be right here. And if I put a fib on this, kind of lines up with it. It'd be above the 1618, yeah. But it needs to stay above this 618 right here in order to be a flag to me. But yeah. Let's look at Rep Pulse. Well, Pulsechain. Pulsechain. Chain. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Like, looks like two boobies. Looks like a W and a bigger W, you know. But from bottom to top in the past 2 weeks, 40%. Not bad at all. Hopefully we keep up this momentum and sellers don't just come in and ruin it for us, but we shall see. I'm not like too bullish yet, but I've always been bullish. Don't get me wrong. I'm on the bull side, but like as far as the turnaround, I want to see this like at least clear here before I get really bullish. And I'd be like, yep, we're in it. Let's go. I'd be so agreeable in. It's got to do a clean breakout. Well, it's already broke out of that. The bottom one right here, like a little cup and handle. So that's going to be, yeah, I think once it clears the next level, I'll be happy because it'll make two higher highs. You know what I mean? Yeah, once it clears that level, it'll make two higher highs. We'll be good to go. But let's see, man. Let's see. I'm starting to get excited though. Like, I know I probably don't sound excited, but it's like the pivot moment because trying to call this the bottom, this the bottom, this the bottom, this the bottom. I don't know, man. But yeah. definitely going up. Let's see if it holds, man. Let's see if it holds. Let's go to Pulsex. Bought me a little bit more Pulsex. I was light on it, and from what I sacked, I'm probably about double that of what I sacked Pulsex for now. And I think I'm just going to keep it. Put like a third of it in a liquidity pool. It's not much with Pulsechain, and kept the rest liquid, man. So that's my Pulsex play. We'll go from there on that. Still stacking that incentive too. So I'm looking at, there it is. There it is. Pulsex seems to be outperforming all of them, man. Like in percentage wise. So there's that cup and handle. They pretty much all look the same. This one's a little bit more choppier because it's a little more volatile. But yeah, I think that all these cup and handles I'm seeing everywhere, like I know I'm probably a little high on that, but whatever. I mean, our next level to clear, I mean, right here, that's when I'll be like really excited and bullish. If we can hold that for like a few weeks, like build that bottom, dude, we're gonna be going so much higher. Like probably, well, let's like yeah, by the end of October, if we hold that, get to that level, hold that for a while, and then October comes, and then the Richard Hart case and everything like that, we can start going higher. Even if it's a buy the rumor, sell the news event with the court case, because it might be like a what do they call it? Like a no event or like a no news event or yeah, whatever. But if we can at least get up to here or like up to here or maybe even higher, then that I would want to build that floor a little bit better though. Like not as long as this, but maybe like half of this in here. So that would put us like at the end of November. Yeah, it would. Yeah. We might just have to just go then. Say screw that floor. And never see these prices again. Especially if Bitcoin breaks out. Because if you go back to Bitcoin, everything starts with Bitcoin, right? Go back to this. If Bitcoin breaks that high, man, we're gonna be going. Just do a rough line here and then take that measured move. I'm doing it rough. But oops. Yeah. If it hit there, yeah, it's probably too much. But yeah, should be right around 110 grand. Yeah. But if you just do this move right here, like you're supposed to, yeah, there we go. Broke out right there, 105. We'll see. That starts going, breaking right here. You know, everything else is going to start moving with altcoins. Once it breaks that, yeah, we probably got till the end of the year with it. I don't know how much more sideways we can go with Bitcoin, but next rate cut maybe October, Pumptober, usually. So we shall see. We shall see. Back to Pulsex. Yeah, it's looking good. Let's look at Hex real quick. That one's been a mover from what I've heard. I haven't even looked at the Hex chart on Ethereum Hex or Pulsechain Hex because, like, wow, 30 more percent. This one's really moving. See, that's going to be the mover. Yeah, if we cleared that. All my Hex is staked, but like 10,000 Hex I've always kept liquid. Where it's 10,000 Hex ain't nothing really. It's like what, $50 right now. It used to be like $500,000. I don't know. It used to be a lot of Hex or a lot more money. It used to be like what, $2,500 or something like that. Oh, don't quote me, but yeah, that sucker's been moving, man. I'm actually kind of amazed. 115 and what? Four days. Nice. Nice. That's X for you, man. Maybe hit log. Oh, wait. It didn't change. Anybody? All right. Anyways, yeah. That's definite mover, man. Let's look at Icosive. It's been moving the same, man. I haven't looked at Icos in so long. It's just been staked to my wallet, just chilling. This puppy's been moving too, man. How much? Whew, 155%, even stronger. Like, wow. I saw a couple tweets from Alex. Just seeing him tweet just makes me a little happier that he's back. He's got something up his sleeve, possibly. We'll see. Any announcement coming? I don't know, but looks like it broke past that local highs. So, or just pierced them. Not really a break since it's more of a candle wick. But yeah, we'll see. Let's see if this can keep going, man. Looks stronger. Looks like a good higher high, but could be one of these kind of moves again and just goes lower, right? Yeah. That's where my PTSD probably like sits in. I don't know. Pulse, Icosa. Let's look at ink. 13% moves just like Pulse X. All right. Still got that cup and handle. That's nice. Yeah, see, it never went down there. It got pretty close, but yeah. I like that it got close. But it probably won't go back down to that area right here. The little red I see. If you go to the 3 days, it's not there on the 3 day. So we're good. And it almost touched the top of that wick. So yeah, we're good. That's good enough. Touch the closes, I guess, on the 3 day. And we're breaking that cup and handle. Let's see if we can keep going, man. Make a double booby recovery. I don't know. Double bottom recovery. Yeah. Just like showing charts of the ecosystem on Pulsechain. Let's go to my token. The one I like the most. It seems like it's been doing pretty good. Pretty good for not really putting too much into it, but yeah. Looks like it's found that double bottom right here. And I still got some airdrop sellers apparently from right here. Yeah. Notice that, like, as soon as price move up, now we broke through that. We might get another. I don't know, man. Just gonna have to wait them out, possibly. I don't know. Could just blow by them, eat it, and go. We'll see. But I want to see, at least get past to there, right there, before I start to get. Like, what's the super trend look like? This is Sami's thing, right? Yeah, let's put it on the daily. It's bullish on the daily, which is good. All right. It almost went back bearish, but it just turned green. So I don't know. Let's go to the week 3 day. Yeah, we got to get above that. So kind of like that, nice and easy. Sami's kind of method works for me so far. Get there. I think the volume profile fixed. Yeah, I think this kind of matches up with that area too. No, that's way up there. So that might be on the weekly. Yeah, it's closer. All right. That's the weekly. It looked like it built the bottom now. We'll see. I don't know, man. I don't know. Well, long bottom. We'll see, man. Trying to fill it out. What I want to do with the chart with it. Or what the people want to do, really, not what I. But yeah, I think we'll see what it does, man. It needs to get back green though. I don't know, man. It's a weird looking chart. One of the weirder ones, but yeah, maybe I'm overlooking it. Just look at Solid X. That was the LUSD. That's what could have made my chart look like that. A little flatter than I wanted it to, but this is the LUST hack right here. Whatever. Looked like it made a nice little W out of it on a 4-hour. On the daily is a different story. It's going to have to recover this level, hold there for a day or two, and just go, unless Solid X or the Solid Well just wants to come in, just like the YEP chart. I don't like the looks of it too much, but it does have this long consolidation, so I could be wrong on this chart. But there was that one seller that kind of makes me a little, come on, guys. Why are you selling at these levels? You know what I mean? Like, you know it's going to go higher. Just makes me want to wait longer. Just makes me want to wait longer. That's all I got to say about that. Let's look at Nope. Let's see what Nope's doing. Holding that floor. Still looks like that cup and handle, like there's been low volume lately. Like everybody's done selling apparently, or Rackham just stops. I don't know. Don't quote me on any of it, but it's been weird. Not much activity, except on a few tokens, But yeah, everything has that little tiny cup and handle. This one hasn't broke out yet, though. Yep, would have gotten it. It has that cup and handle. If that one dude, yeah, we'll see, man. Let's look at Fib. We haven't looked at that token in a while. Fibonacci coin. Always do your own research. All the research you need right there, besides on the blockchain. But yeah, Fib is a good coin, I think. I have some. I'm biased, so always do your own research. Not financial advice, but the original chart looks better than the last one I just looked at, which was with Nope. Looks like it hit the red right here. Has had its bottom. It probably just needs to go up from here. It's at 114K market cap. Bigger than mine, so yeah. This is the longer double booby, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. Anybody in the comments? No. All right. Nobody just. I popped the StreamYard link. I forgot to mention that beginning. Damn it. I'll do it next one, but it's in the YEP Telegram. I'm going to be popping the StreamYard link in here so anybody can pop in and join me when I do these streams. So yeah, you can go to the official one, then go to the group to where you can actually chat back and forth and stuff like that. Because I got a Yep official channel, and then I got a Yep group that you can talk in and stuff, and I'm going to post it in there instead of everywhere else. Because I want them in my Telegram group too. So if you want to come on stream, I'm going to be doing that once a week. And if you want to chat with the founder, ask me a bunch of questions, whatnot, interrogate me, whatever you want, do that. Get to know me, whatever you want, That's only going to be in the Telegram Yep token group, which t.me /. Yeah, that's the one right there. Now, for the official one where you don't chat and stuff, yeah, this is the official one. This is just the channel. Nobody can chat in there. You can leave comments and stuff like that, but this is the official one. I suggest go to this one first and then get to the group from there. You view it in Telegram, but I'm not going to do it. Other than that, yeah, exit out of that, go back to Fib. I'm going to be doing that. Get the hang of this stuff. I always forget to mention certain stuff at the beginning of the episode or the stream. Not the greatest streamers, but at least it can be entertaining, all my failures. But yeah, Fib, let's look at Saturno. A couple other tokens I haven't really talked about in the ecosystem. These guys, they got a couple good projects going on. Fib, based on the Fibonacci, Saturno has a website down here. You can do your own research. I'm not getting into it. A couple good guys. Look like it built the bottom again. So, like, what's weird is my chart looks like the opposite of all these. It's got the green candle, goes down. Didn't have the greatest of launch, apparently. Launching stealth and not telling anybody. Anyways, I like the way I did it. That's Saturno. Found its bottom. Any coins you guys want to look at? If anybody's watching, let me know. Not going to stream for very much longer. I've already been going for 43 minutes. So, yeah. Other than that, really don't know what else to talk about. Let's go over to the Function Island Dex again. Yeah. Got those 3 pools. Oh, yeah. We got our Camel Clan. We staked our Camel Clan. We got that. Yeah. Shout out to these guys, man. I don't know why. But that's about it. If y'all ain't got anything, no charts, comments, I think I'm going to leave it there. Peace out.